A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Jesus ever do something for you yet? We just absolutely blow your mind. You tell anybody about it yet? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in a Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends them. And if you not click the subscribe button yet, go ahead, click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right there so. Today, me going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 5 from verse 1 to verse 20. Jesus and him follower them reached the next side of Lake Galilee, in the country where the Gerasenes people them live. Same time Jesus come out of the boat, one man we did have one demon come from the burying ground and come up to him. The man did live at the burying ground and nobody couldn't tie him up no more, not even with chain. Cause enough time people tie up him hand and foot them with chain and iron trap. But he always bust off the chain them and broke up the iron trap them. Nobody never strong enough to control him. Night and day, him did there in the graveyard and up in the mountain, a ball out and a cut up himself with stone. When the man spot Jesus from far, him run go drop down pan him knee in front of him. Then him ball out pan top of him voice say, "Left me no Jesus, the most high God boy pick me. Me I beg you, for God's sake, no make me suffer." Him say that, cause Jesus did tell him say, "Come out of the man ya, you demon you." So Jesus asked him say, "Where your name?" And him answer back, "My name whole heap, cause enough are we there." Then him beg and beg Jesus not to send them out of the area. On the hillside, you did have one whole heap of hog and yam. So the demon them beg him say, "Send we go in at the hog them. Make we go in at them." Jesus make them go on. So the demon them come out of the man and go straight in I hog them. Then the whole of the hog them, about 2,000 of them, take off down the steep hillside and drown in the lake. When that happened, the man them will look after hog them, run go spread the news in a town and the place them where they near the town. So the people them come out to see what happened. And when they reach where Jesus there, them see the man where did have a demon. Him did a sit down there, have on clothes, and in him right mind. And the people them catch them afraid. The one them where did see what happened to the man where did have in the demon, tell everybody what did happen. And them talk about the hog them too. Then the people them beg Jesus to left them area. When Jesus did a go in the boat, the man we did have in the demon did a beg for go with him. But Jesus never make him go with him. Instead of that, him said to him, say, "Go to your yard, go to your own people them and tell them all where the Lord do for you. Tell them how him good and kind to you." So the man left and start spread the news all over the 10 city them, we then call Decapolis. Him tell them all where Jesus do for him. And everybody did shock when them hear. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.